Hello, the internet. You people seem to like me showing a few seconds of this. Anyway, it has printed, but as you can see, it's firmly applied itself to the flexi base. Will I be able to... There we go. Well, bottom looks good. Side looks good. And if you are an expert, explain to me why I've got a little bit of overrun. Overall, I think the finish is okay. Maybe a bit of light here. Overall, I think the finish is okay. I've not done a big jobs like this before. I mean, obviously there's a little bit of... That looks great, doesn't it? There is a little bit of blobbage here and there on the edges, which now I've turned the light on, are harder to see. And obviously there was a bit of late string on the inner edge, but it recovered it. I'm running my finger around the edge. Ooh, it did recover it, and I'm pleased with that. So yeah, this is my biggest ever big job. It was using up some material, some PLA wasn't fond of, but now it's done that. Yeah, multicoloured PLA like this makes a nice planter. That's a planter. If I can find the STL, which I got from Thingiverse and all of that, I will link it below. But like an idiot, I didn't take a note of what one it was, and I've not been able to find it since. But, yeah, there we are. Anyway, for more videos like this, like and subscribe. Bye.